Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can transfer from the stocks ISA to cash ISA on trading 212. So first of all, before transferring, you need to check whether your money is invested. Only the available cash can be moved directly. So if your money is invested in the stocks or the ETFs, you will first need to sell those investments and wait for the sale to settle so that the proceeds appear as available cash in your stocks ISA. Now, shares themselves cannot be transferred between your stocks ISA and the cash ISA within the Trading 212 application. So, once you have the available cash, you need to simply open your Trading 212 application and tap on the accounts menu. Now over here you just have to simply tap on the option of manage funds and then tap on the option of move cash. Now this feature is going to let you move money instantly between the eligible Trading 212 accounts, including your stocks ISA and cash ISA. So over here you just have to simply choose your stock ISA as the account you are transferring from and cash ISA as the account's destination. So the transfer will usually completed immediately and there is no FX fees for moving money between your Trading 212 accounts. So over here you just have to simply enter the amount and then tap on the option of move. So after the transfer is completed, you can open your cash ISA in order to confirm that the funds have arrived. The money will immediately begin earning the cash ISA rate according to the Trading 212's current terms and conditions. Also, moving money between your own Trading 12 ISAs don't count as making a new deposit. Trading 212 automatically going to handle your current and the previous tax year ISA subscriptions correctly. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.